Today's video, we're gonna install a colder intake, the Blackhawk K&N for a 2016 Camaro SS. Go the process. Huh? See? Tools right here. See? See? Yo solito. Yo solito. This is what comes with this too. This. Oh, shoot.
No, pero si necesitas quitarle todo esto, güey.
Those are all stuff. So the first thing we're gonna do is take out the clamp, and you gotta do this, just like this, like two clips, one right here and then the other one right here.
That's the third step.
That's the third step?
Yeah, and then there's the fourth step is this one.
Oh, this one, and then after that you get a, what is it called?
This is well, I call it a fucking wrench.
A
wrench?
You gotta put it right there. It's easy when you get two people together. So he does that, and then I put it out. There you go. It's going out.
Yeah. Go.
There you go. And then the next step, we're gonna get one of those little T20s, and we're gonna start taking up the air sensor. I'll show.
We don't have the wrench, that's why, huh? I mean the screwdriver. ¿Cuánto has subido?
Como
Here, hold on, put this in here.
como 12 videos.
¿Y te paga?
No, ahorita no, debo ser más suscriptores.
Hoy.
Should I get one? They have to get those two, and that's all. Once you're done with that, we're gonna go for the next step.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold up.
So now you need a straight one. Now we need a straight one. So the next step, we're gonna take those two screws right here.
Rid of the engine. Alright, you have to clip this. There you go. Like, all I have to do is pinch this, pick up the thing like more up, and then it comes out. Because this is basically connected to this.
Yeah.
And it doesn't let it come out. See? Because it's not even broken.
I broken now.
No.
So the next step is.
Este ya no lo ocupas, ya no lo vas a poner esto.
The next step, we gotta put the sound tube. Okay, so this is what we have to put it in together like that. We'll put it in because it has to be sound tube. It has to come in. There you go.
And then you put it right there.
Yeah. Put it in here. So now the next step, we're gonna take off the intake, the whole thing.
Yeah, the intake now.
So once we take the intake, that's gonna give us a chance to take the sensor off, because it's kind of hard if you just take it off like that. We don't want to like damage it. So that's why we're gonna take out this first. This is pretty helpful when you have like a power tool. I'll take some out real quick. Yeah, about to come out.
It's already out.
Okay.
It's helpful because
Yeah.
your thing don't break.
Yeah. So next step, we're gonna have to install the. Oh, we're gonna have to take this off first. We gotta take off the colder intake first and take out the sensor out.
Just leave it on top of here.
Yeah. Okay, we'll leave it. No, we can just leave it hanging.
Sure. All right.
Yeah, we'll leave it hanging, the sensor. So this is the one we take off. Now we gotta take this off too. We have to take the whole thing off. I just had this installed in my other video. It still looks good. If you guys want to get some offers, you can take the whole thing. But yeah.
Take it off.
Hold this. Alright. I forgot my hat. Like that. Oh shit.
It's clipped, huh?
Yeah. It's not that bad. There you go. So you take it off. Yay.
That's still good, huh? No?
Hell yeah, it's still good.
Show?
Yeah, look, it's still
Show
good.
to the video.
To the viewers.
Whoever wants it, hit up. Hit them up.
Yeah.
Alright, the next step is install the K&N mass air sensor into the heat shield.
Okay, so now
Secure with the
this
provided
one?
hardware,
This
yeah.
one? Okay, so look, this is what we're gonna do. This big old thing. You have to put some stuff right here in the side, cause it's gonna be like this. Like, is it tell like this or what size? Let me see.
See, like then.
Well, we gotta check first.
See, look, put it on. Put it on how it goes, yeah.
First, we gotta put it on.
Oh,
Alright, so now, because the cold intake's gonna be like this, isn't it?
yeah,
this?
like that.
Oh no, is it?
Yeah, because that's how it's supposed to be.
Oh
Look.
yeah, like this. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, like that, because I see the little thing
That's
right
a hole
there.
right there, huh? The
Yeah,
drills.
the little drills. Yeah, it's like this.
See?
So we gotta install it like this, guys.
You put the other one.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's up like this?
Yeah, like that, and then just flip it right.
Also, it's supposed to be like this.
Yeah, like that. Like, because you see the bolt?
Yeah, right there, the sensors. Okay, so it's be helpful like this. Do you have the screws? I think they're over there. What size do they have to put?
The screws right here, these ones?
Yeah, but it's a lot.
Oh, yeah, hold this.
Okay.
And then...
So we gotta screw those right here.
Okay.
Those right here. This one down there too, right there. There you go. Don't screw that.
I think you do one of these like... Alright, like... There's it. Well, what is this? It's
So we already put this one in already. So the next step we're gonna put is this one right here.
It's a bolt M6. It's basically like a... Yeah.
Oh, we have to put them together though. But first, the first one. The little one first.
A little washer, 6mm.
Yeah. See,
You put
that one. There you go. Now we're gonna put it back in there. Well, you got some crusty heads. There you go. There you go. Just do the little power tool. The power tools are really good, but oh dang, what break? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so there you go. It's all snuggy and good. So what's the next step?
Hold this.
This.
Yeah.
Let's be like sideways.
Need to pick it up.
So now we already put it like this. Look, compared to the old intake to the new one, it looks hella different.
Alright, the next one is basically this. Install a mounting and stud into the mounting bracket using provided hardware.
It's right here in the bottom. So the next one is this one right here?
Yeah.
This one right here? And what else? A little funny thingy.
I think it's this one, no?
Yeah? What?
One of these.
Oh yeah, it has to be like this.
Then you just put the drill on top.
Yeah, I have to put
I think it's one of these. You can tell.
Put in there. Alright, so there's gonna be like this. This thing with this thing. We're gonna put it like that. And then we're gonna put it inside here. So put it in there. Hold it, yeah. And then we're gonna have to put the first one. Is the little one.
Okay, now.
So you start from right here for the rubber band one. And you gotta just give it a little bit. Push, push. Because it's kind of hard. We had to cut some from right here because it was too it didn't fit, so we had to cut it. It's also in the manual too that sometimes you gotta cut it. So we cut it with some knife because we didn't have those scissors. So yeah, just cut it so it could do a better fitment. We put this back if you guys want to or not, or we just put it back just in case. Now we gotta just install it.
All right, there you go.
Install that. It's just like that. It's good.
There you go. Look.
Oh, if it's one.
It's ready. There I feel like.
Alright, so now after that,
you connect the airflow now. This one?
Oh yeah, we have to connect it. We should have put it in before.
Hold on, let's
go back.
Again. Hold on.
Oh, you can still fit in there, I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna just take it out a little bit now. Hold on.
I don't think you can.
I'm gonna take it out a little bit?
I take it all the way out. We have to go back out again because.
Hold on, that thing.
There you go.
Okay. There you go. I'll do this one now. So move it.
I'll show it up. There you go. So I have to just put down the.
Go, try to put it.
Hold on. Go push it this way. Alright, so we have to put it first this.
Alright, push it.
There you go.
Alright.
Now we're gonna just install the stuff after. Just like a clip on, that's it. Clip that one right here.
Yeah, clip on already. Oh shit.
And you clip that one and
There,
this one. So that's all good. So now I think we're just gonna clamp the
bolt these up.
bolts up, and then we're gonna go for the next step. There you go. Oh damn.
No, that means you're already
good?
Yeah.
It's good? Okay. So that was the first one. So this is the last part, and then that's it after that. Next step is the K&N thing right here. Aren't you gonna put this first too though?
Huh?
This one?
No, that was not yet. Like
it should be first though, cause
you have to put the tube in. Install the provided 90 PT fitting into the K&N intake tube as shown.
Okay, so now we're gonna put that. So now we're gonna see how. Oh, it has to connect the tube right here. It's supposed to be like this, isn't it? It has to be up?
Yeah, technically up.
Okay.
But that'll be fine if you want.
Yeah, that'll be fine right there. So if I just put it like this and then like that. Should we put this one first too? Or no?
Yeah, let's try it on.
I think this show right there. It's the A. Oh yeah, the other counts for H's. This one's supposed to be different too, Carlos.
Huh? Is it different?
Yeah,
I wait there.
Alright, so now after we install this, put it all together, all snug and good. Put the clamp in this one back to the other one, the airflow. So whenever you're gonna connect it back, just remember that there's the clamp right here. So you gotta like press it hard and then push it down. And once you hear it click, you're good. Cause if you like just try to like push it in there, you might hurt this little clamp right here, and it's really important because that's the thing that holds it. And then the next one is gonna be
the last part.
The last part is gonna be this.
Just connecting in. This feels cool.
Yeah?
Yeah, because you're technically done.
It snugs in there?
Yeah, and you're technically done, look.
Yeah. Yep.
That's the best part, just knowing you're done already. See? And the last step is just reconnect the negative battery.
Yep. So we're good now?
Yeah, we're good.
All right.
That was good. Let's do the back. So it's a size 10, remember?
What's up?
A size 10.
Yeah. All right, guys, you guys are ready.
Let's go to the back. Connect the battery.
We're gonna connect the battery, and then we're gonna show you the startup for it. Okay? We'll be back. All right, then. So we already finished the installation of a 2016 Camaro SS K&N Blackhawk Cold air intake. So we're gonna turn on the car and see how it sounds. So here we go.
A lot quieter. It's quiet.
There you go. Oh, God. Wait, put it on the zero. So, this installation for K&N Blackhawk, and hopefully it gives me a good response. And we're gonna get some little revs on it to see how it sounds for a new one. Just gonna let the car cool on, you know, let the oil go around the engine, then we're gonna do the revs.
You know how your other one used to be there? It used to like make a little noise.
That's one.
Now like this one, that's like
This one right here.
This one, like you hear it, right? Like you hear it, no? Yeah. Like it's like a lot smoother.
Yeah, you can hear it now though, more. What about a rev it?
Go. Here it is, and then let me hear the back, the exhaust.
Want to?
Oh.
Alright.
Yeah.
Is it ready for the exhaust?
Yeah.
Sounds way different. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. So stay tuned for more content. Bye.